So today we're going to look at how we can use targets to create some complex logic. We've already got some security policies set up, such as a jailbreak policy here. And we've also got some security policies for minimum OS. Different device types are obviously covered here as well. We've also got a geofenced area set up, which is the Meraki HQ here in London, and we've given this a tag of Meraki HQ. So we're going to go over to the application now, pick AnyConnect, and we're going to create a manual tag to begin with, such as iOS inst AnyConnect. And we're going to now select our different security policies, such as the geofencing, the minimum OS, and the jailbreak. And lastly, we've even created a user group as well. Reflected down in the bottom is the logic that we're going to actually use, just in case, and there we go.